today's training, I'm going to be sharing how you can create content fast with what I like to call building blocks. And content building blocks are master elements or components you need to create your content. So you might be creating things like journal prompts, planner pages, checklists, title pages, and more. So your focus should be on creating templates for pages so you know that you can pull them and access them again and again. So for example, if you're creating a journal, it might have specific components like a title page, an introductory page, and then prompt pages. So this really allows you to organize your content in a consistent way, lay a foundation for future content, increase your pace of production, and also create a consistent look and feel for your products. So let's take a look here at a building block template. So templates might contain something like this, like for a title page, for example. Title and subtitle formatting, font and font size, space for an image, copyright information, margins, and other types of layout information. So, when you're thinking of those things, you can think of something like Microsoft Word, which tries to include that in their documents and have it where you can use those and have them be the same each time. This is just really taking that to another level. So your goal in creating these content blocks is to make the process of creating new content simple. So using a block of content that's just a one page, like a title page or something like that, makes it easy to create them, combine them, and they're also very versatile. So the best tools for creating templates to use for content blocks are things like MS Word, PowerPoint, and OpenOffice, because they allow you to create templates, and also merge your templates, because that's really the second point, because there's no use having a block if you can't modify it and then merge it to create your larger piece of content. That's really what they're there for. So for example, if you want to create a content block you want to use as a template in Word, you would create a new document and then specify, for example, the print layout you want to use. You would make your choices there, your margins, your fonts and colors, so you can make all the specifics that you want. And then once you're happy, you then actually just save it as a Word template as opposed to keeping it as a doc. And that means whenever you want to, you can open that template and create some new content and have all those presets loaded for you. So one of the ways you can organize all these content building blocks is you can create a master folder. And so this is template based, and so you can create your subfolder. Let's say like you want to have a subfolder for your written templates. Maybe you'll have a subfolder for your checklist templates if you're doing checklists. And then you would name them specifically so you could find them and use them again. Now remember, this is your master folder, so you don't actually, you grab those blocks, but you're not actually putting your new content in those blocks, those folders, they all just stay the same. So if you'd like to learn more about this method, you'll want to check out my Content Profit Hacks training, where I go into different ways you can use content blocks and how to use those and merge those and create and build your content. You can find the link down below this video.